there, this is Lucy with WTI, and this is the new addition to our office, the TETOTE Arch Gold Glass Mirror. This mirror has become my favorite go-to mirror. As I get ready in the morning, my routine is usually very easy. Brush my hair, put on my hat, and put on a little lipstick, and I'm ready. Recently, I've been decorating my office with gold accents, and this beautiful arch gold mirror was the perfect addition to our office. It has a modern, sleek design to it, sits perfectly on my gold console table. Attached in the back of the mirror came two prefix wall mount hangers. It came with the yellow anchors so you can attach it to your sheetrock and the proper screws, which was a huge plus. In our case, we decided to lean it against the wall. And I like that it didn't slide on the glass console and it completed the relaxed look we were looking for. The frame is thick and it gives me a good grip to hold on to it, which is my favorite part of this mirror, considering I have butterfingers. The extra thickness to grab onto it gives me the confidence to bring the mirror down by myself so I can give it a good clean. Normally, with all of our other mirrors, I have to ask my husband for help, but I'm glad that this mirror is not the case. It is lightweight and I feel like I can get a good clean a couple of times a week. This lip I feel is important because it serves as a barrier to protect the glass inside. So in the event that I did drop it, I feel like the glass would still be protected. So guys, wherever you put this mirror, it's going to have a nice, modern, sleek look. And that's my point of view.